Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Hindash and this is Timmy. I'm so excited for this video because if you're watching this, I'm in Los Angeles right now, one of my favorite cities. I'm here with Dior to attend the Backstage event and they have new products launching, so I'm so excited. And as you guys know, the foundation is one of my all-time favorite foundations. So because I was going to LA, I wanted to create a video beforehand so I could post something there because as you guys know, I film in my own studio, so I can't do that in LA. I mean, technically I could, but I'm more comfortable in my own studio. So I did this with the beautiful Salwa, who you guys have seen before. She's back in Dubai, so I was like, let's do something. So I really wanted to create a simple glowy look and I wanted to feature some of the new products. The highlighter is amazing. The highlighter palette is so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy this glowy look. I wanted to keep it very simple. I didn't want to complicate it. And as always, follow me on my Instagram. I post my images there first most of the time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Let me know what you think and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. So we have the beautiful Salwa and I'm going to be starting off with skincare as always, and I'm using the Dior Plump filler. This is the Capture Youth and I use this all the time. If you guys see my videos, you know that I'm obsessed with this serum. It just leaves the skin very hydrated. If you're oily, you can use this and just maybe a bit of primer and you're good to go. I really love how this feels on the skin. For eye cream, I'm using the Dior Capture Youth Age Defying Advanced Eye Care, and I really love this eye cream. It's very light. It is the same line as the serum, so I do love it for makeup. For foundation, I'm using one of my favorite foundations, the Dior Backstage Face and Body, and this is in 4WO. This is warm olive, and I'm using the Dior foundation brush with it as well. If you guys want to know why I love this foundation, I have a video on my top favorite foundation, so I'll link that below. It basically feels super light, your skin's breathable. I love this foundation. For concealer, because I want this to be more of an everyday look, I'm using the Dior Fix It Concealer. It's very nourishing and hydrating. It's a stick concealer and it has a hydrating base, so I'm really pushing that into the skin and tapping it with my fingers because I feel like it really melts the cream products better, especially for the under eyes. And then on the areas of the face, I'm going to go in with my foundation brush to lightly buff it in. I am using a bit of a lighter color, so this is going to give us a highlighted look too. And because this concealer isn't full coverage, I can get away with using a lighter color because it's going to melt into the skin. I'm going to set the under eyes and the T-zone with a powder. You can use any powder you like. And I'm using the Dior angled brush. For blush, I'm actually going to use the Dior Addict Lip Tattoo, and this is a long wear colored lip tint. I'm just going to put some at the back of my hand and work it in with the foundation brush. I love doing blush with the foundation brush because you already have foundation left over, so things are going to blend much more beautifully and seamlessly into the skin. I also love to do this with my cream contours and bronzers. For brows, I'm taking the Dior brow powder and the angled brush, and I'm just going to lightly feather in her brows. I want to make them fuller, but I don't want to make them very intense and defined. Okay, maybe I'm going to make them a bit defined, but because I'm using a powder, they're going to still look soft. I'm taking the Dior Backstage contour palette and I'm using the two contour shades, the more gray toned and the warmer darker tone, and just using that as a contour, bronzer, and blush all at once. And I'm going to contour the nose and the forehead and a bit on the jawline. I'm mixing the contour colors and I'm going to use it as a base for my eyeshadow, so creating a warm crease. And I really want to pull it out, so I pull and wing the eyes out for a more lifted look. Now I'm going to take the new Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, and this is in Glitz. This is such a beautiful palette. I tried to take different videos of it so you guys can see the colors because highlighters are hard to capture on camera. But you have basically two sort of a glitter shades on top that have a lot of sparkle, and the two shades below are more of a metallic and a satin. Beautiful colors. I'm going to use all the colors to sort of show you guys what they look like. I'm starting with the darker bronze on the outer corners of the eyes, and then popping that peach shade in the middle, and you can see that really gives light to the skin. It's a beautiful peach shade. And for sort of a glittery, shimmery top coat, I'm using the top two colors, which are more of that glitter formula, and I'm using the pinky toned and the yellow tone. I always like to tap that final sparkle with my fingers because I feel like it just shows up so much nicer. I'm going to do a layer of the Dior Pumping Volume Mascara. This is the waterproof one, and I'm going to put individual lashes on. I use medium ones from Ardell. And just to define that crease even more, I'm taking the Dior Backstage Eye Palette, and this is an Amber Neutral. This is the new warm one. And I'm going to be using that matte warm brown on the lower lashes and in the crease. Going back to my Glow Face palette and using that peach color, I'm gonna be highlighting the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, basically anywhere you want to highlight, and I'm gonna be doing the top of the cheeks. And I'm gonna be finishing off the eyes with a bit of a brown pencil, of course. And this is the Diorshow In and Out eyeliner in bronze brown. It just really lifts the eyes and brings thickness to the lashes. You can define your lips with a bit of lip liner if you need it, and I'm going to be going in with the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Plumping Gloss in Rosewood. This is such a beautiful color. It's a very juicy lip gloss. It has a bit of that plumping effect, but it's not going to burn your lips, and the color is beautiful on Salwa. Your lips just look very healthy and juicy. And that is the completed final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it as simple as I could. You can add more steps. You can take some steps out. I know a lot of people don't like to wear a lot of shimmer for every day, which I totally get. But I do want to make this a very glowy look. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.